In this video, I'm gonna be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about KAL, Kalera Public Limited Company. Disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional and/or financial advice. Everything is just my own opinion and perspective. And let's get straight into the video that you actually wanted to watch. Um, Today we're 16.67% down. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Now I'm going to show you my past video about KAL, right? I only have 3 videos about KAL. This is one of them. This is the most recent. So let me explain. This is the link of the video. There we go for the people who might be skeptic and stuff like that. So I added this prediction. So at that point of time, we're sitting at 0.1750. Now we're sitting at 0.1400. And I'm definitely still pretty bearish. So again, what did I say? If this closes on the daily chart above this high, that's when I'm actually going to shift it to bullish. Otherwise, still looking for those bearish moves. I'm going to follow my system. Just going to stick by my word. Disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. I already said that. But please do your due diligence because I'm never going to tell you what to do with your money. Okay? If you're expecting something like that, I'm never going to do that. What I'm going to do though is just show you my own opinion and perspective.